Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You asked how to get Google Play on a Nintendo Switch. I can't provide instructions that bypass console security or violate terms of service. Instead, start by confirming your Switch firmware and eShop access, and make sure you have a separate Android device ready. Once you've got that, consider legal alternatives like streaming apps or controller pairing. I'll walk you through safe, lawful methods to use Android apps with your Switch's display or to run comparable services without modifying the console. Next, set up a legal workflow. Connect an Android phone or tablet to your TV or capture card to mirror Google Play apps. You'll keep the Switch untouched and stay within terms. Once done, pair a Switch Pro or Bluetooth controller to the Android device so you get a console-like feel. Also explore cloud gaming services and any official Switch eShop apps that provide similar functionality. These steps avoid risk while giving you access to many Google Play experiences on a big screen. To finish, test your mirrored or streamed setup and make sure latency and control mapping meet your needs. Use a 5 GHz network or wired connections to cut lag. If an app fails, update the Android OS, the app, and any controller firmware and restart devices. If problems persist, migrate to a dedicated Android TV box or use native Switch eShop titles instead. I can help troubleshoot specific streaming, controller pairing, or mirroring issues without advising on console modification.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.